Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have another unboxing. Yes, you heard it right, another unboxing. And yes, I have did quite a lot of unboxing lately for some reason. So anyway, this particular item I've actually chased this piece, and this has been cancelled so many times. It took me like a little over a month to get hands on this. I am so excited, but a little bit like frustrating at the same time. That's because like, wow, I didn't even know how, I work. Like, I mean, it took me a while really to get a hands on these. So anyway, this is how it came in with. So let me open the box. It's right here, and this one is okay. So the packaging is just with the box, and they put it in this bag right here like that, and the dust bag. So yeah, the packaging is not that great. I got this from Nordstrom. So yeah, when you purchase anything from Nordstrom, I guess with other luxury goods that they have, I don't think it came in with the box. So this one, it just came in with this felt right here, which actually is really nice and soft. And this is by Bottega Veneta. And wow, it was like really frustrating to finally get hands on this piece. It's like, wow, what a relief. Like going back and forth, it has been canceled. So I went to the Bottega Veneta website. I placed the order twice, canceled. I went to Luisa via Roma. It has been canceled. I also went to my Theresa. I also went to where else? Yeah, Nordstrom. At Nordstrom, actually, this has been canceled twice because I was told that they could not fulfill the order. But the sad part is that it took them at least like 3 or 4 days to let you know that, hey, your order has been canceled. And also from the Bottega Veneta website as well, it's like I was told after 4 days they just canceled it, and then my second order, it said just leave your order there, you'll never know when it might be available soon. I said no, I'm not gonna wait for that. But after a couple of weeks they finally canceled it. They could not fulfill the order. So anyway, so much for the talk. Yeah, I'm sorry, I just have to explain it to you guys and how I got this piece. And okay, here comes. Wow, just love this felt so much. So here comes, oh my gosh, this beauty right here. Wow. Okay, wow. Look at that. Wow, the weave right away. It's like, it's very, very soft and supple. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, this is actually the first time I saw this piece. So this is a Bottega Veneta mini loop intrecciato leather shoulder bag, and in this color Parakeet. Yeah, this is more likely a little bit, it's not too bright in a green. It's not neon as well, but it's in a green color. Just like that. This is the side. So the side actually, yeah, this one has a strap right here. This one is on this corner right here intertwined, as well as on this side right here, on the other side too. So this is the strap. So it says on the website that the strap is removable, but I guess you need to undo this part right here for you to be able to do that. So I think so. So yeah, that's a little bit like, I personally think that's a little bit more like inconvenient if you do that. So this is how it looks at the bottom of it right there. The weave, They're actually famous for that. And obviously this one is actually handmade. I don't think the machine is capable of doing this weave right here. So this one has this gold hardware, but yeah, I think this is more likely a champagne gold. It's not really like gold thing. So also right here in the zipper as well, it is gold. So let me just take all this stuffing inside, because this has been stuffed, so you'll be able to see inside. Okay. Okay, this one is just, look at the opening right there. The opening is not that wide though. It's right here, because this piece is more likely on the extra small side. So it's more likely a camera bag, but it's in the smallest side. So as you open it like this, it's not really like really open, generous opening right here. Maybe I needed to pull it all the way down. That's how it looks. This one has a side flat pocket on this corner right here. It says there, Bottega Veneta, made in Italy. Right there. The inside is lined with this beautiful leather. So it says this one is made up of 50% lambskin and 50% calf skin. Wow, the inside is so beautiful. I just love those leathers, so smooth. Wow, this one is so beautiful, so gorgeous. So the measurement for this piece, if you guys are wondering, this one measures 7 inches on its length, 5 inches on its height, and 2.5 inches on its width. So yeah, it is like on the smaller side. Wow, this one is absolutely gorgeous. So the reason I got this, it's because this color is amazing. This color is absolutely gorgeous. It is one of my favorite color ever. And I was thinking, so when it says on the website that you could remove the strap right here, I was thinking of using this chain right here. I mean, I know guys that with the Bottega Veneta, if you purchase something from them and it comes with a chain, it's just gonna cost you a lot more. But if this particular piece has this chain from Bottega, I think it's gonna be like around maybe almost $2,000, because this one retails for $1,150 US. That's before tax. Came in with 2 other colors, black and cinnabar. So those are the 2 colors as well that came with it. And this is the mini loop, and they also have the loop, which is more likely on the larger side, and that one is priced a lot more, which is $1,900 US, but they didn't have this color. I could have gotten that instead of the small ones, but they didn't have that in this color, the Parakeet color, that's not available on the loop, the larger side on this purse. But regardless, this one is such a really cute thing. So I was trying to figure this one out on how I'm going to hook this strap right here. Maybe I could just put this on this corner. Maybe I could put it on this. I'm not even sure if this would. Yeah, I was really thinking of like putting this one of the loops here. Later on, I'm going to figure that one out and then put this one right here. So, wow, I think this one would look so lovely with the chain. But then the chain adds more weight. This piece is actually very light. It feels like there's no weight in it. Very light. And for size reference, let me get my mini pochette here. So this is my mini pochette. This is from Yeah, from Louis Vuitton. So this is for the size reference. Wow, just see. So that's for the size reference. Right there. Yeah, that's the size reference. And also on this side, that's just... So let me see if this mini pochette fits inside. So let's see. Yeah, I know it wouldn't. It wouldn't fit inside. Just for the reference, you know, this would not fit inside. So even though it's a little bit larger on the outside, but it would not fit on the inside. Yeah, that's too bad. But of course, it is a small purse. You're not gonna use a purse from one purse to another purse or whatever. So you could just put your phone and your wallet and your basic stuff that you could bring. Then I think this one is perfect. But regardless, wow, this is so light, and the material that they use is extremely soft and supple. Oh my goodness, it definitely makes your money worth when you come to think of it, knowing that this one is made up of leather right here outside and also the inside, and also the strap is leather. That's when you know that it definitely makes your money worth. So once again, this is 1,150 US dollars. That's before tax, and I am hoping that I will be able to use this strap right here, attach it. So I'm already thinking now of how I'm going to style this. But yeah, definitely just love this intrecciato weave in it. Oh my goodness, she's such a beauty little thing right here. So anyway, that is just my reveal on this beautiful piece. I don't know when it's going to be available on the website. It is just so hard to get hands on these, especially with this color. And wow, it was just like, it was amazing. But it's worth it. It's definitely worth the wait. And also, I love the style, the leather, like pretty much everything about it. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.